Dawn breaks over the Chiltern Hills. In a sleepy village, an incessant noise is disturbing Daisy the Dalmatian. It seems like her work is never done, because her pups are hungry once again. Dalmatians are one of the few breeds to sport a freckled coat. They can have around 250 to 300 spots on average. But in the past, it was their impressive stamina that made them attractive. Dalmatians were working dogs, employed to accompany long-distance carriages, acting as bodyguards for their horses. So, if you're thinking of owning a Dalmatian, be aware these energetic dogs require plenty of exercise. At just 2 weeks old, Daisy's pups are not quite so energetic. Meet Dexter, Dory, Daphne, Digby, Doris, Matty and Marshall, who've just started to show their spots. When born, a Dalmatian's fur is pure white, but spots of black pigment are already visible on the skin beneath. Over the next few weeks, this pigment will darken the fur growing through it, creating the spotty coat that make the Dalmatian unique. The fuel for these young pups' growth comes solely from their mother's milk. And they'll need a feed every 2 hours. But Daisy's desperate for a break. She's famished. If you're caring for a nursing dog, you must adjust how often and how much you feed her. Daisy is now given smaller portions many more times a day, consuming up to 4 times her normal food intake. And she receives as much water as she can drink to replace the liquid lost to her insatiable pups. Refueled, Daisy is ready for round 2. Red-collared Dory is enjoying this moment. To encourage the milk to flow, instinctively she kneads her mother's teats with her paws. Oh, ouch, Daisy's upset. As Dory's paws have developed, they've sprouted unwelcome visitors. Pointy, scratchy claws. Luckily, her owner knows to come to the rescue. Dory's tiny talons are no match for a pair of toenail clippers. One day, these claws will act like football studs, gripping the ground as she runs. But today, they will be temporarily blunted. Mutual contentment is now restored to the nursing box. But there's a way to go yet. These pups will be suckling Daisy for at least another month.